that the copper grades are also looking really interesting as well. 9 meters at 0.7%, several values within there above 1% up to 1.6% copper, and these are on the northern area of an area we've only just started to test. So lots of upside potential with that mineralization going forward.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Tertiary Minerals Managing Director, Richard Belcher. Richard, very good to speak with you. The latest drill results at Mishima North include your highest grade silver and copper intersections to date. How significant is this for the project?
Well, thanks, Stephen. These are really significant for us. I think, firstly, this confirms what we've been saying since we made this silver discovery late last year, that based on the geology and the mineralization, this could be a significant discovery for the company. And I think these results that we're seeing from the second phase, and particularly the ones now, really does confirm what we've been suspecting for a while. So these are great results at this stage.
Mineralization now extends over 450 by 400 meters and remains open. What's the next steps to test the scale of this system?
Yes, so I think what's been really interesting is that these results, as you say, are from the northern extent of our initial footprint. So not only have they extended it further, but they do remain open. And as we've shown today or yesterday, that the copper grades are also looking really interesting as well. 9 meters at 0.7%, several values within there above 1% up to 1.6% copper, and these are on the northern area of an area we've only just started to test. So lots of upside potential with that mineralization going forward. So yeah, really interesting to potentially explore the extent of the mineralization in that sort of northwesterly direction.
I mean, as mentioned, you reported that new zone of high-grade copper. How could this influence your exploration model and future development options?
Yes, so primarily been working on that. This is primarily for silver, supported by copper, zinc, and maybe some critical metals as well. But these copper grades have been obviously warmly received by us and also the market, and it opens up the potential of could there be additional this high grade copper within their system as well. So we'll certainly be looking at that as a possibility in the next phases of work we do on the project.
Well, with analytical results still pending on other holes, when can investors expect the next update from the Phase 2 program?
Yes, so we still have, as you say, some assay results due to come back. These are for reconnaissance holes across the target area. We've also submitted some samples from drill holes from our Phase 1, because not all our holes were analysed at the lab and not analysed for silver. So we're trying to see if we can identify additional target areas around this area we've been drilling as well. This is also in the IOCG area, so the iron oxide copper gold region of Zambia. So we're also going to be looking at the potential for gold in this target area as well. So we're going to be submitting some samples for gold to test that. And then we've got the samples that are going off for mineralogy to start to look at the initial metallurgical work. So lots of news flow really to come back in over the next couple of months for this project.
Well, I hope you'll keep us updated as these results come through. Richard, thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you very much.
Tertiary Minerals Managing Director, Richard Belcher.